Hi, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and if you use concealer every day like I do because you have dark circles under your eyes, I have to share with you the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer because I love it so much. So I'm going to show you how I apply it. I just apply like a tiny bit for just like my everyday look. I don't go too crazy with it, just like two little dabs under my eye, and then I use just a brush to kind of tap it in under my eyes, and I feel like it has really great coverage. It's super quick and easy to apply, really great for just your everyday look, and you can do it in layers. So I'm going to add just a little bit more on this side, and you can appreciate how buildable it is. It doesn't look cakey at all. And I do like putting it on my eyelids kind of like as a primer for eyeshadow. And there you have it, no more dark circles. So if you're in the market for a really great concealer that is long lasting and does a great job at covering up those dark circles, I highly recommend Shape Tape by Tarte, and that's my point of view.